Today I'm cooking ready-made wonton noodle sauce. It is great and very convenient to keep in the house, so my family can have wonton noodle anytime. This recipe yields enough for about 13 to 15 servings of wonton noodles. The ingredients needed are 10 tablespoons of thick soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 200 ml of water, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 8 tablespoons of onion oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Mix all the ingredients in a stainless steel pan. Add all the sugar, salt, and pepper. Whisk them all together until combined. Then add the onion oil, sesame oil, light soy sauce, thick soy sauce, oyster sauce, and water. Gently mix the sauce until it is very well combined and the sugar is dissolved slightly. Switch on the heat to medium and bring the sauce to a boil. This will take about 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, the sauce is bubbling in the oil. Stir to mix them evenly and to dissolve the sugar faster. Alright, the sauce is quite even now. Let it come to a vigorous boil and then continue to boil for about 5 more minutes. Stirring occasionally to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After about 5 minutes, the sauce has reduced a little and it is boiling vigorously. Stir to mix it well. Once stop stirring, the onion oil tends to separate from the sauce. This is normal as we have to always stir well before using it. Give it a taste. This is great. It should have a nice balance of saltiness, sweetness, and very fragrant. Alright, this will go well with the wonton noodles. Switch off the heat. Leave it in the pan to cool completely. After about 2 hours, the sauce has cooled down. Give it a good mix until oil and sauce is well combined. Place a funnel over the clean dry container. Pour the sauce into the funnel. Stirring often. Alright, it is full. The ready-made Wantan Mee Sauce can last for about 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge. I will use the leftover for my wonton mee now. Please stay tuned for my upcoming recipe, chicken feet wonton noodles, that is using this sauce. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.